Hey, Jessica. Yeah, there are law students who are set to take the test here at the Cox Convention Center in 2 weeks. They are signing on to an open letter to Oklahoma Supreme Court Chief Justice Noma Gurich asking for some kind of alternative to be put in place.
Every time I see numbers released, it just makes it more and more difficult to see how this is going to be safely administered.
Matt Irby's one of hundreds of people set to take the Oklahoma bar exam in 2 weeks. It's a 2-day, 12-hour test, prompting concerns of spread of the coronavirus. Irby says he has a young daughter at home.
I also have a mother that's recovering from breast cancer, and she lives with my aunt who has heart disease. And so I go over there once or twice a week to help them with things around the house, and they're in the high-risk category.
The deans of Oklahoma's law schools writing a joint letter to the state offering alternatives like having students take the test at different locations. Other ideas include delaying the test or doing it online in the fall. Board of Bar Examiners Commissioner Juan Garcia says they're taking precautions like keeping desks separate, doing temperature checks, requiring masks. He's got concerns about the possibility of delaying the test.
My fear is that if we further delay this thing, one, it's going to get worse. The numbers could go up even higher in September because that's where we're trending. Or that people are saying, hey, you know what? We're ready to go to work.
And Garcia says they have heard from people who are looking for an alternative. They've also, he says, heard from people who want it to stay in place because of the amount of studying and work that goes into that test. There are other states that have made changes. For instance, Texas is both delaying their test and offering an online version in a few months. In Oklahoma City, Dylan Richards, KOCO 5 News.